In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the YouTube Partner Program. So this is super easy. I'm going to show you what you need and how you can do that. So first of all, what you want to do, you want to go to your profile picture and then go to YouTube Studio. So when you're in the YouTube Studio Manager, you can go to monetization up here. There we go. And as you can see, here are the requirements that you need to become a member of the partner program. So you need 1000 subs. So let me go to this page. This is there are all the requirements to join. So you have to follow all the YouTuber monetization policies, and you have to live in a country where it's available. But almost every country in the world is available, so that is not really a problem. You need to have 4000 public watch time in the last 12 months, so in the last 1 year. You need to have 1k subscribers, and when you have 1k subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, you can create an Adsense account and link that to YouTube. So if you have 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time hours in the last 1 year, you can go here and hit join partner program. Once you do that, there comes up a section where you can add your Adsense account. You can agree to the terms, and then you will be in review, and within a week or two you can be accepted or denied. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.